to my YouTube channel. This is Ria of Sugar Smile, and in today's video, I'm going to show you the latest makeup haul from Maybelline Cosmetics, and it's the Alice+Olivia collaboration with Maybelline. So, if you're interested to know more about this collection, swatches, and anything you need to know about this makeup line, please keep on watching. So, I first heard about Maybelline's collaboration at one of the websites I've been browsing to lately. And I must say na I saw the packaging and I was so in love with it because it's so cute. Ang cute ng packaging niya. Ang cute ng illustration niya. And knowing me, masyado akong mahilig sa mga cute na packaging ng makeup. Nung nakita ko yung collection na to, I just thought that I have to have this. Went to Watson's, SM Mega Mall Watson's last Tuesday, and good thing meron na yung stocks nila. Meron na silang stocks ng buong makeup line. So, ayun. Syempre, the low EQ in me, yun, binili ko agad lahat ng lipsticks nila. So, meron siyang 3 shades ng lipstick. It's the 660 Kiss, 656 the New Nude, and 691 Stays Face Red. So, ito yung mga colors ng lipstick niya. Bali, 3 siya. Tapos, meron din siyang Alice+Olivia Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. Ito nakita ko online. Meron siyang tutu. Pero, yung nabili ko rito sa Watson's, hindi available yung tutu. But anyway, for ano lang naman yun eh. For design purposes lang naman siya. So, okay lang kahit wala yung tutu niya dun sa tube. Tapos, they also have the City Mini Palette. This one, sobrang cute nung colors niya. It's the Uptown Downtown Glow. Ayun, ito yung mga colors niya. It's a bit shimmery. And, ewan ko, gusto ko yung mga ganitong colors eh. Yung may mga rose, ganyan na color. So, a little background about Alice+Olivia. It is a New York City-based contemporary clothing company with designer Stacy Bendett at the helm. The global brand launched at Barney's in 2002 and is now sold in over 50 countries. Let's start. Yung palette niya, this one is 499 pesos. The mascara is 249 pesos. And the lipstick is 326 pesos. So, sobrang mura lang. Kaya, I decided na bilhin na siya lahat agad-agad. Kasi nga, limited edition siya by Maybelline. And, ayun. Yung colors kasi niya, ng lippies niya, it's for everyday use. Nude, tapos parang medyo salmony yung color. Tapos, yung red niya, hindi masyado ring red. So, okay lang siyang gamitin everyday. Here is the City Mini Palette. It is called the Uptown Downtown Glow. Kasi meron kang 2 looks na pwedeng gawin with this palette. It's the look 1, yung Uptown Glow. Tapos, yung look 2, yung Downtown Glow. Personally, I think I would like the Downtown Glow more. Kasi, bet ko yung mga colors na to. Ayan. Alam kung makikita nyo. Yan. This 3 yung pwede yung for Downtown Glow. And, ang ganda niya. Sobrang cute niya. Sobrang reddish niya. Ito. Masyadong maliwanag, no? Alam kung kita nyo. Tapos, this one, medyo sobrang pigmented. Tapos, this next color, ayan. Parang medyo near lang yung color niya sa isa't isa. But, This one is more on the pinkish side. So, yan. Ito siya. Alam kung nakikita nyo ng maayos yung color niya. Tapos, yung nasa taas na favorite ko na color, medyo reddish. Oh my gosh, ang ganda niya. Ang ganda ng register niya sa camera. Tapos, yung next one, ito na hindi siya glowy na pink. But, it's also as pigmented as the others. Ayan, hindi ko makita. This one. Tapos, yung last color na shiny and shimmery din is yan, this one. Ito yung mga colors niya ng palette. So, medyo on the glowish side siya. Medyo shimmering siya. So, I think pwede naman siya for daytime makeup kung gusto niyo yung ganitong colors. Ako, I think pwede naman ma-pull off. Lalo na medyo on the morena side ako. So, ayan. Medyo favorite ko yung mga ganitong colors. A Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. So, ito yung harapan niya. Ang cute to. Ang cute ng lashes ni Alice+Olivia. So, yun. Ganun din. Meron ding branding. Ano nakikita. Ayan. Alice+Olivia by Stacy Bennett. Tapos, natin yung ayan. Medyo clumpy siya. Hyper Curl Mascara. If you're using Maybelline for a long time, it's just the same kasi yun nga lang, iba nga lang yung packaging niya. They have 3 lipsticks. Yung una niya is 656. This is the new nude. It's a creamy matte lipstick. Tapos, ayun din, katulad nung palette and mascara, cute din yung packaging niya. Ayan o. At first glance, akala ko siya actually Sephora siya. Kasi 'di ba yung Sephora medyo minimalist na parang black and white and all. Tapos yun, pagkakita ko sa kanya, parang ay oo nga no, iba pala siya. Ang cute nung nung character niya. So yun. This is the first one. Ito yung the new nude. 656. Yung color niya. Yan. Yun yung color niya. Tapos, the next one is the Kiss. Ito medyo nude-ish din siya. Pero pare-pareho lang kasi siya ng packaging. So, medyo malilito ka kung hindi mo titingnan sa ilalim. Ayan, Kiss. Medyo naman to, parang salmon yung color niya. Medyo pinkish ng konti. This one. Tapos, yung last one, ito yung red na color niya. Face Red. It's 691 yung shade niya pagkahanapin mo siya. Yan, ganito ulit yung packaging niya. And ayan, sobrang reddish niya. Ay, hindi naman pala. May pagka-reddish na dark siya. This one. Ito yung so, yan. Ito yung mga shades niya. Now, I will try the City Mini Palette. Yun nga, yung ito. And I will try the Downtown Glow, yung look 2. Kasi gusto ko yung try. Ito, this one, and this one. So, dito sa likod niya, alam mo naman Maybelline products, yung mga Maybelline palettes, meron siyang parang tutorial. Yun. Bagay na bagay. Kahit alam ko ang itim-itim ko ngayon. Sige, mag-pink pa rin tayo. Tapos, try natin yung mascara. Then, lagyan natin yung Face Red. So, yon guys. Here is the finished look of the Downtown Glow of the Maybelline Alice+Olivia collection. I use Face Red. Tapos, yung basta yung pang Downtown Glow look dito sa eyes ko. And yun nga, yung Hyper Curl Mascara. So, if you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below kung ano pa yung mga gusto nyong makita, kung anong gusto nyo pang i-try, or you have any questions about this newest collection from Maybelline. Again, this is Ria of Sugar Smile. Thank you for watching and please subscribe if you haven't already. Bye!